This is So at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford. She loves getting attention. She's just doing a happy dance and everything, aren't you? You're gorgeous and you want to show people how pretty you are, huh? Come here, So. You can use my hand. Come on over here. Come here, So. God. You're a doll. Very affectionate. Quiet girl. You don't have to rub up against there. Come here, So. Look at that face. Let me see their face. You're adorable. So turn off that camera and give me lovin'. Okay. I wanted to see you get a picture of you doing a happy dance. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, pretty girl. Oops, nope, can't go out, sweetie. Oops, sorry. Oops, sorry. Didn't mean to scare you. You go out when you get a new home, okay, girl? Somebody get So.